before I came, I felt like I was on a road that was leading to sickness, to diabetes, to maybe heart disease. And I knew I needed something to jolt me out of that, to turn my life around. And I felt this program suited my needs because I needed to detox. And the first day when I did the coffee enema, after the first coffee enema, I felt a tremendous difference. I felt my mood lifted, my energy lifted. It was amazing. And I had been very apprehensive about doing that. And it was incredible. I didn't have any trouble with it and made a huge difference right away. So that motivated me to continue to, I wanted to do everything. I wanted to put my whole heart into this. And it has been well worth it. I have not neglected exercising at home. I make it last priority. And so doing that here, you know, at first it was hard. It was difficult to get out on that road and walk. It hurt. I didn't feel good, but after about 3 days, I was feeling better. I was feeling stronger. I was feeling, you know, go just a little further, go just a little further. And it has inspired me to continue to do this at home. I have noticed amazing differences in every area. I have more energy. I feel like I'm resting better. I'm sleeping better, which is very helpful. I feel lighter. I feel cleaner. Emotionally, I feel such a peace that usually there's an anxiety inside me. It just feels like a clock ticking too fast or something, and it's just like a calmness. Spiritually, I have been fed more this past 10 days than I have gotten for a long time. We're in the Word constantly. When I leave here, I am determined to maintain this lifestyle, the 8 laws of health, and I want my future to be one of health, of closeness to God, and doing His work for the rest of my life, and it's dependent on doing this. So I am very motivated to do that.